How to see who unfollowed you on Instagram. Hello guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser. Now tap on search bar and search in standard. Now tap on the first website. You can choose from downloading unclone and clone app. Now tap on download clone and download the application. Now install the app. Now wait for the application to install. Now click on open. Now log into your account. Now after logging into your account, tap on your profile icon. Now tap on the three lines. Now go to standard settings. Now go to feeds and stories. And under in-app browser, enable indicator follows you. Now after enabling, go back. Now again go back. Now tap on your following. Now open any account. Now under followers section, you will see user isn't following you. Thank you for watching our tutorial. I hope you liked our content.